Rare birds vocabulary. About 130 rare or unique birds name in English with pictures. Okay, so let's dive into the topic. Green broadbill, king bird of paradise, Bachman's warbler, Cebu flowerpecker, emperor penguin, king penguin, blue-throated macaw, Philippine eagle, regent honeyeater, Juan Fernandez firecrown, European roller, dusky starfrontlet, booby, Atlantic puffin, black robin, blue-eyed ground dove, saddleback, whitehead's broadbill, orange-bellied leafbird, orange-bellied parrot, black stork, black-hooded ant-wren, blue crane, black-faced spoonbill, barbet, swift ferret, bear poacher, Chatham albatross, Balearic shearwater, Chinese crested tern, fairy bluebird, Andean cock of the rock, Amsterdam albatross, snow petrel, great bastard, Garnia's pita, blue lorikeet, Azores bullfinch, bearded vulture, California condor, Lear's macaw, golden parakeet, Bengal florican, banded gowned cuckoo, grey crowned crane, blue-bellied curassow, Dalmatian pelican, great-eared nightjar, Egyptian vulture, little bastard, helmet bhanga, forest owlet, crested ibis, Florida scrub jay, giant antfeta, ivory-bellied woodpecker, great argus, Hawaiian crow, what gin, Himalayan quail, Gunnison sedge grouse, Kerguelen stag, Leven lark, long-wattled umbrella bird, Congo peafowl, Kirtland's warbler, Tristan albatross, great green macaw, Micronesian kingfisher, Hartart's camaroptera, harpy eagle, helmeted hornbill, Mustaced antpitta, Japanese night heron, Newton's fiscal, Jerdon's courser, kiwi, kakapo, North Island kakapo, Palawan peacock pheasant, Maui parrotbill, night parrot, noisy scrub bird, Oahu elipayo, northern bald ibis, Norfolk Island parakeet, oil bird, Madagascar pochard, South Georgia pipit, rufous-headed robin, Okinawa rail, red-breasted goose, jacana, Sokok scops owl, Mariana crow, rufescent screech owl, marvelous pachalittle, resplendent quetzal, Puaiohi, royal synclodis, northern cassowary, pink-headed duck, Wallace's standard wing, Wilson's bird of paradise, white-backed vulture, white-tailed eagle, red-fronted macaw, spoon-billed sandpiper, right hornbill, white-necked rockfowl, yellow-breasted boo-boo, red-cockaded woodpecker, Spix's macaw, spotted owl, shoebill, South Island teakee, secretary bird, Ruppel's griffon vulture, turquoise, Walden's hornbill, superb lyrebird, yellow-billed cuckoo, whooping crane, Malayan peacock pheasant, spectacled petrel, Gymno's petrel, white-bellied heron, Uluguru bushshrike, white-winged flaptail, Sri Lanka frogmouth,